Living in the U.S., you are now a refugee. And as a refugee, there are things you can and cannot do. For example, as a refugee, you can buy property, attend school, and sponsor your spouse and unmarried children under 21 years of age. If you wish to have your spouse or children join you in the U.S., the resettlement agency can explain what to do. You can also travel anywhere within the United States. But if you are moving, you are required to notify the USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, within 10 days of changing your address. However, as a refugee, you are not allowed to obtain a U.S. passport, join the military, vote in elections, work in a government job, or travel outside of the U.S. without permission. As a refugee in the United States, there are general rights and responsibilities you must be aware of. The most important one is that as a person living in this country, you must learn and know the laws. For that, everyone living in the United States has basic civil rights, such as the freedom of speech, freedom of worship, and the freedom to peacefully assemble. Other things to be aware of are that you can work in the United States as an employee, and job discrimination is illegal in the United States. So no one can refuse to give you a job because of your race, color, religion, sex, and national origin. There are public services and benefits are available to those who are eligible for them. But if you break the law, your immigration status could be affected. Some facts to keep in mind are that men between 18 and 25 years of age must register for the Selective Service. You also need to pay your own income taxes. This means that an income tax form must be filled out to the government every year. You can fill out the form yourself or find someone to help you. In order to operate a vehicle, you must have a driver's license and insurance to operate said vehicle. People in the United States may not drink or buy alcohol until they reach the age of 21, and parents must learn legal ways to discipline their children. Note that if you do return to your country of origin while you are a refugee, you might not be permitted to re-enter the United States. Now say that you live in the U.S. for around a year. Within that year, you are able to get a green card. However, after a year, if you do not get the green card, you must apply to become a lawful permanent resident, LPR, or green card holder. This adjustment of status is important as it is required by law. This is also the path to U.S. citizenship, where after 4 years and 9 months, you can apply for being a citizen. USCIS and/or your resettlement agency can tell you what you need to do. If there is additional information on immigration requirements that you need, consult your resettlement agency/staff member who can assist you. Among other things, you must be able to portray good moral character and a basic knowledge of English, U.S. history, and government. Immigrants, refugees who become citizens have the same rights and privileges as citizens born in the United States. These rights include 1. If you are being attacked or feel threatened, call 911 immediately. 2. Seek medical and mental health care. Keep documents related to any treatment you receive. 3. Document the incident. Write down what happened, language used, and if appropriate, take pictures. 4. Report to have the incident addressed and to ensure others are not subjugated to further harassment. If you are in a non-urgent situation and have concerns about your immigration status, please reach out to an immigration attorney for advice on how reporting may involve your immigration case.